everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, November 7th through November 23rd. It's going to be an okay week. Not a lot of point boosters, but there is going to be some good deals. You know, as you guys see in the red, it says Gifts of the Week. They have the Squishmallows, the big ones, for $9.99. I have been wanting one of these for the longest time. They are so soft and so comfy. I think for $10, I think I'm going to probably get one because they are that awesome. They also have a Maybelline Winter Wonder Glam. It says it's a $38 value. They're going to have it for $15. So it looks like it's an eyeliner, a mascara, some kind of spray, and lipstick. So if you guys are interested in something like that, you can go for it. I know with our couponing skills, we can get makeup a whole lot cheaper and just put it in a fancy box. But it's up to you guys if you guys want to do something like that. They also have Russell Strofer on sale from $4.99 to $12.50, so there's that. And then they also have the deals of the week. They are having Arm & Hammer, where it's on sale for $6.99, and it's buy one, you get two free. So you guys could do that. They come out to be just $2.33 a piece. They have the gallons of tea if you guys want to do that for $1.99. Pistachios and nuts for $5.99. They have General Mills cereal for $1.99, and we are getting $1 off a 2 coupon in this Sunday's paper. They most likely will be $1.49 a piece if you want to go ahead and do that deal. And then it says Crest right here, $3.99 plus a $5 register reward when you buy 3. We just received some dollar off coupons. So if you guys, you can only use 2 per transaction, so you guys can only use 2 $1 off coupons. You would pay $9.97 with that $5 register reward. It comes to $4.97 or $1.65 a piece. I would not do that deal at all. But then when I was going through a couple pages later, I did find a deal where we are getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So you guys would pay $6.97 for 3 of them. You get that $5 register reward, making it $1.97 or 65 cents. Still an okay deal, but it's up to you guys. You guys should be getting tons of free toothpaste this week, so just wanted to share with you that. Then right here they have a deal right here for LOL surprise toys. If you guys spend $40 or more on LOL toys, you guys will get 5,000 points. So not sure how much of a good deal that is. That is something, if you guys have registry rewards you want to spend, you guys can actually spend $40 of registry rewards if you have that, and you can get points. So that's if you guys need to do some gifts. Now the Dixie plates and the Vanity Fair napkins and bowls and stuff, those are buy one, get one free, and then it says there's going to be a $1 coupon online, $1 off of 2. Sometimes Saving Star has had a deal. I haven't seen Saving Star have a deal in forever, but it looks like we are getting random coupons in the Sunday's paper, so if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Here is the last page. Walgreens always does the first and the last page first. I don't know why, but nothing's really popping out at me. Snuggle and All is buy one, get one free. Hershey Kisses are 2 for $6, and then we have a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then a $1 off of 2 that we're supposed to be getting online, making them $2 a piece, so $4 for both of them. They got Gillette and Old Spice, buy one, get one 50% off, and then when you buy 4, you get a $4 register reward. If you guys want to go ahead and do that. Here's some food deals. Nothing really popping out at me. Just a lot of cereal. Again, $1.99 with a $1 off of 2 online coupon. We're going to keep going ahead. Some more food deals. You're going to see a lot of food deals, but nothing's just really popping off. But it's up to you guys what you want to do. I think we are getting a 25-cent or a 50-cent off Hellmann's mayo. Now we're getting to the holiday candy. They got some popcorn tins for $4.99. They do have these little cookies in the praline. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Cookie tin for buy one, get one free. If you guys want to go ahead and do that. Russell Stover, 2 for $1. So those are good little stocking stuffers if you need to go ahead and do something like that. I know my husband will greatly appreciate that because that's his favorite thing is stockings. More food. Now here we're going to cleaning products. Palmolive, we're getting a 25-cent online coupon, making them 74 cents. Scott's tissue and paper towels, $4.99, and then we do have some coupons that you guys can print off if you want to do that. Pet supplies, items, buy one, get one 50% off. Now we're getting to some toys right here. Now right here they have a lot of Winnie the Pooh toys for $9.99. I'm actually going to wait on that. If you guys are interested, I do see some toys that I want to get Miss Charlotte. But I'm going to wait till Black Friday and go ahead and get some toys because those are going to be 50% off. So it's up to you guys if you need them right away, but I would wait till Black Friday. I just posted that ad. Not the greatest ad, but they do have some good deals with the toys. And then they have some other items 25% off. And then they still have their regular toys, buy two, get one free. Here is the Christmas stuff. A lot of it's buy one, get one 50% off. If you guys buy 2 gift cards of Cabela's, Bass Pro Shops, and Fanatics, you guys will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. Here's some cards for buy one, get one 50% off. Electronics and all that jazz. Nothing really popping out. Photos, batteries. Now we're into the personal care products. Here is some items. 4 for $5. It looks like some nail polish, some hand sanitizer, lotion, and then bath bombs. So if you guys need to give some little gifts away, here is a nice bottle of perfume in the shape of a shoe. That is nice. Don't know what it is, but it's nice. Makeup. It looks like you guys will get Revlon All Made buy one get one 50% off, and then you get a $1 register reward when you buy 2. Wow, that's so nice. Yeah. Colgate. Here you got for $3.99, and then there's going to be $1 off coupons. This is a $1 off online coupon, so if it's like that, you guys would buy 2 of them. You would pay, what is it, $5.98 for 2 of them, but then you guys would get $5.98. You guys would get a $6 register reward, making it free. Or if it's not $5.98, it's $6.98. Sorry, that's only with the $1 coupon, so you guys would get it for 99 cents for both of them. And then here is that Crest deal that I was talking about in case you guys want to do something like that. Perel, there is a $1 off printable coupon that is available on coupons.com right now, so you guys can get those for $1.99. I know usually around school time, back to school, it's a little bit cheaper. Nexus, if you spend 20, you guys will get 10,000 points. Garnier Fructis are 2 for $7. We're getting 3 off of 2 coupons, plus we have a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making those $1 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and get that. Johnson & Johnson Aveeno and Desitin is buy one get one 50% off. If you spend $15 or more, you get 5,000 points. Shea Moisture is 25% off. I do know we have some $5 off of 2 coupons. I don't know when those expire exactly, but if you guys want to go ahead and use those. Here's some just medicines and pills. And that seems about it. That is pretty much the ad. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what is going on sale next week. It's an okay week, but you never know. There's always stuff that's going to surprise us for that. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.